Hello guys and welcome back again to our channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to create a thumbnail for a YouTube channel or YouTube video. So let's go ahead and open file and click on new and make sure that you are on the 1920 x 1080 pixels because the YouTube thumbnail is on this preset. Now let's click on create, and after that let's keep it that way. For example, now what am I doing is creating a tutorial about Photoshop. So let's make a thumbnail for this video itself. How can we do so? Let's click on, let's take a screenshot first of Photoshop, just something like that, and we do something like that. That looks perfect. We click on save and we name it whatever. Now let's click on open, quick access, this one, and voila. Now we can drag it and put it in here. Let's make it like that. Of course, let's hide this part. Something like that looks good. Let's remove this menu from here. Okay, let's cut it out, and like that. Let's make this bigger now. Not bigger like that. Wait, let's go back and just like that. It looks perfect. Yep, it is perfect. Now what can we do to make it look better? First of all, let's make it a little bit blurry, Gaussian blur, and something like that is good. And since it's a Photoshop tutorial, let's make some blue colors around this picture. For example, I'm going to choose something like so and make it blue. Okay, so let's keep it blue. Something like that works good for me, and let's keep it that way. Let's make it go all the way around this page, so let's make it 90, and once again let's put it here, and again once again let's put it here, and we're gonna add some details right after this step. Let's make it sure that it is on 90. Okay, and again once more 90-degree picture like that. Something like that works good for me. Okay, as you can see now it is bordered. Now let's select all of these merge shapes and let's try to make it less thicker from this side, less thicker from this side, and let's zoom out to make it less thicker from up and down side. Okay, that looks good. Let's add a gradient color for it. Again, we are going to make it blue, and from this side as well we're gonna make it something like that, like this blue. This one looks perfect for me. Okay, now we gotta add something about this tutorial, like a text or something. Let's add a new layer, and then let's write something like tutorial, Photoshop tutorial #1. Let's keep it that way, make it big, and just like that. We can change the color. Let's make it white, add some drop and stroke. Let's make the stroke black, and as you can see now you can see the tutorial, this text. Let's remove this one from here actually. How can we do so? Is cut tutorial. That's good. Now let's keep it here, and then let's add here what is this tutorial about. For example, it is about bag thumbnail. Let's make it big, so everyone will know what are we going to talk about in this video. And again, let's make it overlay. Let's make it again with some stroke and drop shadow, but this text should be in a different color. We can make it in blue so it is matching the template. We can add here something like so and choose this color. We have to create a new layer, and from here we can add stroke. Wait, there's something bad with it. Let's create normally. Okay, this one will look good. This one looks good, yeah. After that, we can here change the color, make it vibe with this one a little bit, and from here we can just make it gradient again. It looks perfect, but we need to change this one. We can make it look just like this color from here, so it will not feel weird. Look into it. Let's make it that way, and the opacity is 100%. Okay, nice. Now, for example, this is the tutorial number 1. Let's add hashtag 1. And here we can make it white again, just like so. Add some stroke into it, drop shadow, and I think it's so big. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Again, this square as well. Again in here, and for example, we go to Google Photoshop PNG, and we can grab this icon, download as. We can drag it directly into the tutorial. Let's remove the background using this tool. Let's actually make it a normal layer, like so, and then remove this background. Now we can remove this and add it in the middle, make it with a shadow, and again a stroke. Let's make the stroke a little bit bigger for this one, and make it outside, opacity low, and let's make it high. And just like that, we have done our first thumbnail in Photoshop. So guys, if you stayed with me until this moment, thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.